This is the Roborock S5 Max, one of the company's latest robot vacuum cleaners to hit the market. It takes a lot of the best features from across the range and combines them into this epic, versatile and smart autonomous cleaning gadget. It works very much like Roborock's other vacuum cleaners, in that it features a number of sensors on the underside to scan for dirt and debris, and also has the advanced laser system on the top. This scans at a rate of around 300 RPM while it's moving to get an accurate layout of the rooms it's cleaning, building a map within its memory, while the spring-loaded bumper ensures that it can tell when it's run into obstacles or touch the edges of cupboards and walls. The vacuum is really smart too. It can detect when it's on a carpet and then boosts the power to maximum to clean up all the dust from within the carpet threads. Then once it's back on hard flooring, it switches back to whatever setting you had it on. Its new water tank design combined with its intelligence also means you don't ever have to remove the tank except to refill. You can program no mopping zones so that it'll never try and mop a carpet. It also keeps an even pressure on the mopping surface so it cleans evenly wherever it goes. It's a noticeable improvement over the previous model, and you can even adjust how heavy the water flow is from within the app. One of our favourite features is the room mapping and scheduled cleaning. Once the S5 Max has done its first round of the house, it automatically divides up the rooms. If it's not entirely accurate, you can divide zones up or add in virtual barriers. What you can do then is just tap on a room whenever you want to clean that specific space, or even better, set a timer and schedule a one-off or repeating cleaning session every day at a specific time, and even adjust the cleaning power and desired water flow for that particular room. With this mode activated, it'll also remember and avoid mopping any no-mop zones and ensure it doesn't creep into any no-go zones for vacuuming too. It feels a little like magic. And one of the other smart features is the top-up battery charging it can do. Our house wasn't quite big enough to take advantage, but if you have a huge space that it can't clean in one go, it'll intelligently go back to the dock and top up just enough battery to get through the rest of it. It's not just smart, it's practical too. The cleaning brushes are easy to remove and clean off, and the filter and dustbin are the same. You can take them out easily, wash them, ready for the next go around. Last but not least, the charging dock is much smaller than the one you get with the S6 or the S4, and so takes up a lot less space, which means in turn it's convenient and easy to fit pretty much anywhere. So there you have it, the S5 Max. It's available now, and I've left a link below for you. Bye for now.